Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to do one of your DeltaMath lessons. It's this one at the top. It says build equation from a graph, Parabolas, Intercept Form Coefficients. So you'll get problems that look like this. This says what equation best matches the graph below. I'm going to write on the screen here and see if we can solve this problem. Notice that at the bottom, all of the answers are in factored form. Our general factored form looks like this. X minus P times X minus Q, where P and Q, these two entries, are the x-intercepts the x-intercepts on the graph. So here we see two x-intercepts on the graph. So one intercept is at 1, 0, and the other one is at -4, 0. So I'm going to make this one the P and this one the Q. It doesn't matter which one you put in which position. So if I have our equation here, and all I'm going to do is fill in the blanks. So I have A times X minus, now since this is a -4, I'm going to put it in parentheses. And then we have X minus 1. So dealing with our two negatives, this says X plus 4, and this says X minus 1. So the other thing we need to look at is, I'll use a different color for this. The other thing we need to look at is this A. How do we get this A? Now, we can't figure out what the value of the A is, but we can definitely figure out, is it positive or negative? And we can look at the graph and tell whether it's positive or negative. So graphs that look like this, like our graph on the page here, which open up, those graphs are positive. Graphs which open down, like this, that open down, those graphs are negative. Okay, so this graph opens up, so it's positive. All right, so that means we're looking for a positive A that has X plus 4 and X minus 1. So looking at our answers down here, I see that we have X plus 4 right here is X plus 4 and X minus 1, and this is positive. So this is our answer. So I'm going to have to erase everything on the screen so I can all right, and so we're going to click that one and submit answer. So it's positive, X minus 1, X plus 4, yes, and we get a green check for that answer. Notice that if you look down under the green check, it gives you the steps that I just talked about right there.